Affirmations are powerful, positive statements that can shape our mindset and outlook on life. In this segment, we will delve into the concept of affirmations, understanding how they work and their potential impact on our daily lives. By exploring what affirmations are and how they can benefit us, we gain insight into the transformative power of our thoughts and beliefs. Identifying your goals and desires forms the cornerstone of effective affirmation practice. This process involves introspection, where you pinpoint areas of personal growth and aspirations that align with your values. By exploring your innermost desires and areas for self-improvement, you lay the foundation for creating tailored affirmations that resonate with your authentic self. Crafting personalized affirmations is a deeply personal and empowering process. This segment will walk you through the steps of creating affirmations that authentically reflect your values, aspirations, and self-beliefs. By understanding the significance of each affirmation and infusing them with emotional resonance, you can harness their transformative potential to manifest positive change in your life. Integrating affirmations into your daily routine is pivotal for their effectiveness. This section outlines practical strategies for seamlessly incorporating affirmations into your day, identifying the most conducive times and effective recitation methods. By integrating affirmations into your daily rituals, you cultivate a consistent and impactful practice that nurtures a positive mindset and empowers your personal growth journey. Building consistency in affirmation practice and tracking your progress are crucial for long-term positive changes. This segment emphasizes the significance of maintaining a consistent affirmation routine and offers insights into tracking methods to monitor your growth. By establishing consistency and tracking your progress, you ensure that affirmations become a powerful catalyst for transformative shifts in your mindset and life.